So I spoke for my players the last 3 weeks or months. Forget about it. The table. So focus on the next game and try to do our best and try to make what you want to do to win the games. And after that, at the end of the season, we are going to evaluate how it was our level, how is our performance, how was the coach, how was the players, and after we're going to decide. It's tough for the players. I understand. I was a football player and I know how tough it is for them. So I understand his situation, their situation right now, because they do absolutely, or try to do absolutely everything, like all the managers in the world, of course, and all the teams around the world. So they do every team the best as possible. But it's not the first time what happened that season. It's not the first time.